Oh, look on your back. The monkey. Oh.
Oh my god.
On or off?
On.
Awesome.
Cable, sir. A little jump. Yes. Perfect.
Change.
Go.
Yeah, go, go, go.
Dime, Irving. ¿Está verde?
Vete.
Okay. See you. Wrap the cable. That's it. If you broke it this part and this part.
Cappuccino monkey.
Yes, here we have three species. The cappuccino monkey, the TT monkey is the little, this like this.
Aww.
You can put in your pocket.
I want one.
And the howler monkey. You can hear the howler monkey at 1.5 kilometers. Yes. Woohoo! Okay, go! That was perfect. But let you go, my friend. Don't worry, okay?
Okay, so
Don't
again.
be-
And jump. 1, 2, 3. So jump.
Nice.
Okay. Nice. This is nice. You see the Gaylord Cat, vessel crossing. Dax is a public dock from Gamboa. The hotel with the village, and the Gamboa town is right to the left, to the right. See, no break. Whoa!
Better.
Woohoo! This is nice. You see the Gaylord Cat, vessel crossing. Dax is a public dock from Gamboa. The hotel with the village, and the Gamboa town is right to the left, to the right. Woohoo! So, see you tomorrow.
You're coming back?
Oh, maybe, yeah. Of course. Jump.
Yes, sir.
How was it? Can we do it again?